Hi guys, welcome back to vlog number 2. So today is Monday. I just want to prepare some coffee. It's around 12. Let me just check. It's around 12:45. Someone is here, wants to say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so I just want to prepare some coffee because today I have woken up to clean. So I let go of my house help last week because, and long story, maybe I'll tell you guys later on in the vlog. So yeah, I just want to clean. I have so much cleaning to do. I was already cleaning the kitchen, so I'm done with the kitchen, almost done, not so much completely done. So I just want to make some coffee, my first cup of coffee for the day. Because I'm still fasting, I'm just having it black and sugarless, so no big deal about it, yeah. So nakuja. Yeah, so I'll show you guys me cleaning the living room, because today I thought I was going to be able to do a lot today, but the cleaning has taken up, like cleaning the kitchen alone has taken up most of my morning. Like the kitchen was just such a mess. Like I'm really glad that I am going to move on and try and get a new house help, because it was really dirty. So yeah, let me just go and clean the sitting room and then we can make lunch. I'm done cleaning, not completely. I still have a lot to do. So I just want to warm some lunch. I have some chips that were left over from yesterday and chicken, so we're just going to have that quick for lunch and then we'll see what next. This is a cooking video because I don't know, it feels like I've been in the kitchen most of today. My camera won't sit straight. Okay, so I came back to the kitchen because I wanted to make carrot cake, and then I found out that I am out of cinnamon. So I am just going to make some juice. I have some mangoes and oranges, so I just want to make juice, and then maybe we can chat as I make juice. Yeah, you know your house is dirty when you get a Homa cleaning it. So I was telling you guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed that in all my videos I might not have makeup, but I always have lipstick. And I don't even have the best skin. I don't have good skin, actually. I don't have good skin, but I always feel like my lips underneath the lipstick look really bad. So I always have either lip balm or lipstick, because I have this bad habit of peeling my lips, the skin off my lips, since I was a kid. So now is when I'm trying to change it, which might be a bit too late, because it's a habit I've had for so many years, so it would be hard to change. Anyway, let's get to the juice making. So I have ended up cutting two oranges and mangoes down there. So I just want to add in some water. I'm hoping, I'm sure that the taste will be a bit more orangey, but I'm hoping the mango will still bring in some very needed sweetness. So it is official, today's vlog has ended up being a kitchen vlog, so I am just going with the flow. I am back in the kitchen to make my second cup of coffee. It is 5:30, so I want to make my second cup of coffee, which, because I have broken my fast, Nini mama. So as I was saying, because I've broken my fast, I'm going to have it with milk. I'm going to have it with milk, and then what else? And then I'm going to cook supper. Today I'm going to cook it early so that I can finish editing this vlog early. So we're just going to have minji and rice, but my minji will have carrots and potatoes, because deep down I am a Kikuyu who is just in love with potatoes. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys later to end the vlog. Okay, what do you want to say?
Hi.
And what else? Say Merry Vlogmas.
Merry Christmas.
So I am finally done with the cooking. I'm just waiting for it to cool down kidogo so that we can eat, and then I can get done with editing. So I am going to end the vlog here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I just want to say thank you first of all, because yesterday when I was uploading the first Vlogmas video, I was so anxious. Like, I went back to the days before I started YouTube, and I was feeling like I don't want to be in that pressure zone of being judged. I don't know why, but you guys' support was so amazing. Like, I felt the comments and the likes and everything. I was just so grateful. So thank you so much for that. So we're just going to end the vlog here and say good night and see you tomorrow. Say good night.
Good night.